everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this bonnet for American Girl dolls. We also sell these bonnets on Etsy, La Hobby Shop, and now let's get started. This is what you'll need for the project. Yarn, I use size 4, a hook, 4mm, scissors, and now let's get started. Start by making a magic circle. Round 1. Chain 2 double crochets 10 stitches in the magic circle. Round 2. Chain 2 double crochets in each stitch around. At the end, you have 20. Chain 2, 1, 2. In the same stitch, 2 double crochets. One, 2. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And I'll see you at the end. Round 3. Chain 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and you'll have 30 stitches. Chain 2, 1, 2. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. One, 2. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and I'll see you there. Round 4. Chain 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and you will have 40 stitches. Chain 2, 1, 2. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and I'll see you there. Round 5. Chain 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and you have 50 stitches. Chain 2, 1, 2. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row and I'll see you there. We finished round 5. Turn your work. Now you'll be working in rows. Row 6. Chain 1. In the same stitch, 1 single crochet. 1. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches in the third one, 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. One single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches in the third one, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern from the chain 3. And I'll meet you when you have 4 stitches left. When you are done with row 6, leave the 4 stitches. Row 7, turn your work. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 counts as double crochet here. 5 double crochets in the next 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this to the end of the row. Ending last stitch, 1 double crochet. When you're done with row 7, turn over. Chain 1. Single crochet in each of the first 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the next 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Repeat this pattern to the end. Row 10 and 11. Row 10 is the same as row 8. Repeat that. Row 11 is the same as row 7. Repeat that. And I'll meet you when I'm done with 2 rows. This is how the design will look. This is how it'll look like when you're finished with those rows. Row 12 and 13. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Chain 1. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Finish row 12 and 13. This is how it will look like. Now we're going to start with the bonnet ties. When you reach the edge of your final row, do not tie off your yarn. Chain 40. Single crochet into the second chain from your hook and across all the chain stitches. Continue to single crochet around the raw edge of the bottom of the bonnet. When you reach the end of the raw edge, chain 40. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook and across all the chain stitches. When you reach the end of the chain stitches, slip through to join into the first stitch of your last row. I reached the end of the chain stitches. Slip stitch to join into the first stitch of your last row. And now cut off your thread. Now tie and hide. Now you have finished the bonnet. This is how the bonnet looks on the doll. Thanks for watching. Bye!